Hey everyone, what is going on? I'm back with another video, and today I'm checking out the Keychron K4 wireless mechanical keyboard. Let's check it out. Originally, I saw this through MKBHD's Twitter because he posted it, and I was like, you know what? That is really cool. I showed my girlfriend Jennifer, and she was like, that's really cool. And so I ended up gifting her one for Christmas, and you can check it out as part of her desk setup in the top right corner right up there. This keyboard is a 96% keyboard, which means that it's a little bit smaller than that of a regular keyboard, but it's not so small that it's cramped. There's several different versions of this keyboard, ranging from white backlight to RGB backlight with an aluminum frame. It starts at $69 for the white, nice, $79 for the RGB, and $89 for the RGB aluminum. The main difference obviously being the lighting and the frame, but if you get the aluminum frame, you get different keycaps than that of the other two. Honestly, there's not much of a difference. It's just brown keycaps versus gray keycaps for the central part of your keyboard. It's not really a big deal, and if you're a keyboard aficionado, you're gonna switch out the keycaps anyway. On top of all of those different versions, you can also choose your switch types, Gateron switches or optical switches for an additional $10. Gateron switch types include blue, brown, red, or yellow, while the optical switch types include red or blue. Optical switches are the ones that are more catered towards gamers because apparently there's less latency from you hitting the button to it being recognized by the computer than that of the Gateron switches. If that's a big thing for you. They say it's a 2 millisecond response time, and it's only $10 more if you're really interested in that. Before I actually gifted the keyboard to Jennifer, I remembered that she always wanted blue switches. Yeah, I know, blue switches. They're loud as heck, but they sound so productive. And because I am a great boyfriend, I ended up getting her the Gateron blue switches. If you're watching this, Jennifer, you're welcome. You loud ass. Anyway, the build quality is sturdy and the keys feel solid. In fact, I typed up this entire script using the keyboard. Out of the box, it comes with keycaps for both Mac and Windows and a keycap removal tool so you can easily swap the keycaps. Yeah, the keyboard is compatible with both Mac OS and Windows and can connect wirelessly via Bluetooth or with the cable via the included USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable in the box. It even comes with extra keycaps for the lighting and escape keys if you want to make it match with the rest of the keyboard or stand out like this one right here. This is my first non-major name brand keyboard and I really like it. It's cheaper than that of the other brands, especially for a wireless mechanical keyboard. But before we move on, if you're not following me on my social media accounts, please consider following me on my social media accounts. It's all in the description box below. You know you want to. One of the things that I really enjoy about this keyboard is the inclusion of the 10 key or number pad, as my girlfriend made it a huge point that she did not want a K2 keyboard. Even though it's the same price, same build, same everything, it just didn't have the 10 key. Myself being a frequent user of the number pad, I love the inclusion of it. So I do have to agree with her, having the number pad is nice, and it's still smaller than my Corsair Strafe over here. Now let's move on to the issues I had with the keyboard. Honestly, these issues are so minor and they don't take away from the overall package of how great this keyboard is. But I want to be fair and balanced and present the good with the bad so that you can make an informed decision on whether or not you want to buy this keyboard. 1, this keyboard does not come with a wrist rest or palm rest, but you can buy a walnut wood palm rest from their store for $30, or you can just get one from any office store. 2, be aware that the RGB is not customizable, but it comes with 15 presets. So if you're looking for RGB customization, much in the line of Corsair where you can customize each individual key and the animations, then you might be better off looking elsewhere. But for most people, this isn't an issue. They have 15 different presets, animated and static. And honestly, those are my 2 minor gripes with the keyboard. It's a well-made wireless mechanical keyboard that works for both Windows and Mac, and has a number pad if you're someone who uses it like me. I'm kind of jealous that my girlfriend gets such a cool keyboard. If you're asking if I would pick one up for myself, I probably would, and I probably will. Anyway, what do you think of this keyboard? Do you like it? Is it great for the price? Let me know down in the comments below. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe for more videos, and until next time, peace.